So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Samantha, and today we have a cooking vlog. So basically I'm gonna make pasta, and then I'm gonna mix it with cheese and mince. I really don't know what it's called, but let's get into it. So yeah, without further ado, let's do this, guys. So guys, the first step is to boil water in a kettle. So you boil the water and then you pour it into a pot so that it can boil faster and speed up the process. So yeah, after you do that, you add some salt, as you can see. When that is done, you put in the pasta into the boiled water. Keep on stirring consistently because this will prevent the pasta from sticking onto each other, and it will just be better at the end of the day. So while the pasta is cooking, you move on to making the sauce. So basically what you do is you put in milk into a cup, and after that you open the packet of soup into the milk, and then when that is done, you pour the mixture into a pot and keep on stirring. As you can see, you keep on stirring consistently as well so that you get the consistency that you want. Yeah, so yeah. So basically at this point in time, you basically just make sure whether everything is cooking properly. You keep on stirring, as I said before as well, and yeah. So what I do here is basically checking whether the pasta is cooked well throughout, and I do this by taking a piece of all one macaroni and then I put it in my mouth so I can see whether it's cooked thoroughly or not. If it is not, leave it for some more time to cook and it will be ready in no time. As you can see here, the soup is really getting a bit thicker, and this is what we want. So keep on stirring and you'll get the desirable results. So as you can see, the macaroni is thoroughly cooked. So basically the next step is to remove the water, and yeah, and we continue. So now it's time for the mince. So basically here you pour in cooking oil. So then you start spicing things up. You start with your rosemary and garlic from Robertson's. You pour that into the mixture with the mince. After that, you move on to your paprika. It's also from Robertson's. A very good amount of paprika is needed because that is very essential. And when you're done with that, you move on to your black pepper, which you add a pinch of an amount. And when that is done, you move on to your steak and chops, which is also a spice from Robertson's. Yeah, and when that is done, you just add a pinch, little salt on top of the mixture. And yeah, so here you're just going with the crushing like motion, where you just crush the mint with the spices so that everything can be mixed properly. And yeah. So when the mint is cooked and finished, what you basically do is you take the saucepan and then you pour the sauce on top of the pasta, and after doing so you mix everything together. And when that is done, what you do is you add the mint on top of the pasta and the sauce mixture, and you stir. Just look at that. Does that not look lovely? Voila. So now it's time for the cheese, which is your final touches, and yeah, then we can dine. So what you do at the end, you just add a bit of parsley on top of your pasta. And yeah, so guys, thank you for tuning in today, and remember to subscribe, like and comment. And yes guys, thank you for tuning in and watching the video till the end. Remember to stay at home and wash your hands.